Rode PodMic. We received it today in the mail. It should be in here. We're gonna get to the bottom of unboxing this bad boy. The Rode PodMic. We're gonna need these. I wanted to do something a little different instead of showing my big potato head. So maybe we need these little scissors to come in handy right now. This mic is good for podcasting. It's good for your gaming setup. For whatever it may be. Is that $100? A little budget friendly. For some it may be a lot. Right now I'm using a Behringer microphone that I paid for 3 of them. $84 way back when. Now they probably like $20 a piece on Amazon. I'll put them in the link also in the description. That's the mic that I'm actually using now. But today we're here for the Rode PodMic and see what this bad boy does. And is it worth it? I'm going to use it. I'm going to do the unboxing. Oh, off top, little problem there. That could have been me. So we give him that one. I'm going to use the mic. I'm going to set it up. And then I'm going to give you an update on how it actually has been turning out for me. I've used this mic on previous occasions in another studio setup, right? And a lot of people compare it to the Shure SM7B, a very popular microphone in the podcasting industry. So I decided to get it. This is not a sponsored video. I paid for this with my own money. So all unboxing and reviews about this are totally honest. And even when they are sponsored videos, we are 1000% honest here on Tech for Rec. For the people, by the people. So let's get to it. Off top, I like to say packaging is very, very important to me. I'm very big on packaging. So it seems like they did a pretty good job here with the packaging. Maybe I want to get on the right side of this. PodMic. Whoa, that's magical. So let's get to the bottom of opening this bad boy here. I'm very big on packaging, so like I said, the packaging seems to be pretty good. It comes with a quick start guide that I suggest that you look at it if it's your first time dealing with microphones. That'll come in handy for someone. Me, I'm not gonna look at it. So off top, I can tell you that this is all awesome because it keeps the mic. This is extra so it doesn't harm the mic. That was pretty smart of them. So that was cool. Not a lot of companies care. They got, don't play with this, don't open this at home, and you know, it's dangerous. Get rid of that, keep it away from your kids. Immediately, I see something here. See the bag is just ripped a little bit, like sliced up. I guess that's from the microphone laying in there, so don't let it get you out of control and think it's damaged. Remember, it's a metal mic. So off top is exactly what everyone always says. Remember, I used it and it was on a boom arm. I never really grabbed it like this in my hand. It's a very, very heavy mic. And being so, it lets you know from the beginning that it means business. The quality is super fantastic. There goes the famous Rode sign. Rode name and the logo, Rode. That's cool. The Rode PodMic. So I think that this microphone, people are gonna actually enjoy. So it comes with a 5/8 and 3/8 screw-on mount there for your boom arm. And it's a dynamic microphone. And we're going to put this bad boy through the test. So, you know, this is all that comes in the box. All that comes in the box is that. The mic. But shout out to Rode for actually taking out the time, and the packaging is very secure. Like, in order for something that might to get damaged, look at all this box. And not only that, look at the thickness of these boxes, the inside to lay on it to make sure that it's in there, compacted and secured. So that's the Rode microphone. I think it's an awesome mic. And we're going to see. I'm going to give you guys an update on how it sounds. And hopefully, I plan on one day using it with the Rode caster, the Rode Podcaster, the mixing board. Right now, I'm going to plug it into my mixer with the cabling and all that. And I plan on using it for my dual PC setup. And that's what I got it for, actually. I got other microphones we done reviews on and things like that. But this one was one I always wanted to get and add to the collection. So we got them now. The PodMic by Rode. Link in the description of this video. It's only $100 right now on sale on Amazon. Get it, because they're getting them quick. These mics are everywhere. They're on Kitchen Talk. Mano has it on his show. If you know Mano, the rapper from Brooklyn, right? From Gates, right? DJ Academics has it. A lot of well-known podcasters and gamers, content creators have this awesome mic right here. So a lot of people compare it to the Shure. Like I said, the Shure is a $500 microphone. This is $100 right now on sale on Amazon. Link in the description. Thank you for tuning in to Tech for Rec. If you like content like this and want to see more, share, subscribe, and comment down below. We answer all comments. Thank you. I'm 1,000,000% grateful. See you guys soon.